Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Oak Park local and long distance movers near me. Our professional movers know how to ensure that your long distance move doesn't include all the worry. No matter how far you need to relocate, our qualified crew of movers can make it a lot simpler. With the best moving services to help you, any move, big or small, becomes so much simpler. If you're looking for a general move or a full service move, we provide all the options you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent prices. It might not be very easy to rationalize the cost of choosing a California moving company. When you examine the major advantages you gain, the price may be much easier to manage. The time savings you get can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Movers can also make sure you don't need to stress over injury since you will not need to do any heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive professionals ready to make your local move very easy. Moving day gets much easier with 3 Movers because we simplify your whole entire move. Moving locally may be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Oak Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.